Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you would be in good health. I am Nazneen Anjum, and today we are going to discuss our science lesson of class 4. So let's start our lesson with some images which you have to relate with a particular thing and guess to which things these images are all about. So in this first image you can see a man is wearing a mask, someone is washing his hands, someone is using a sanitizer, stay home, and a virus. I hope all of you had made an excellent guess about it. Is your answer is COVID? Yes. All these images belong to a well-known pandemic that has been affecting all the world from 1 year so badly, which is called COVID-19, which is caused by a virus called coronavirus. Dear students, do you know which part of our body is affected in this disease? Yes, our lungs. As you can see in this picture, these are our lungs, and our today's topic is similar to it. It is what the lungs do. So, by the completion of this lesson, you will be able to describe the importance of lungs, name the gases we inhale and exhale, name the bone which protect the lungs, and tell the position and size of the lungs. So, first of all, why the lungs are important? Lungs are important because they help to breathe. Do you know what is breathing? Yes, it is explained by this picture in which a man is breathing. When he breathes in, the lungs get expand, and when he breathes out, the lungs get contracted. As they spread oxygen throughout the body and get rid of carbon dioxide. सांस अंदर खींचने के अमल के दौरान ऑक्सीजन, जो कि एक गैस है, हमारे लंग्स में दाखिल होती है ताकि वहाँ से पूरी बॉडी को पहुँचाई जा सके, और सांस बाहर निकालने के दौरान कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस बॉडी से बाहर निकाली जाती है। क्यों बाहर निकाली जाती है? बिकॉज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कैन बी हार्मफुल टू योर बॉडी। हार्मफुल मैनी नुकसानदेह, मतलब ये एक हार्मफुल गैस है और इसलिए इसका बॉडी से बाहर निकलना ज़रूरी है, और ऐसा करने में लंग्स हमारी हेल्प करते हैं। As you can see in this picture, oxygen is getting inside the body and carbon dioxide is getting out of the body. We inhale oxygen gas when we breathe in, and we exhale carbon dioxide gas when we breathe out. How many lungs do we have? क्या आप जानते हैं कि हमारी बॉडी में कितने lungs हैं? Yes, we have 2 lungs. There are 2 lungs in human body. Now, what is the position of the lungs in our body? So, the lungs are located in our chest cavity. मतलब जो बॉडी का upper part है, lungs वहाँ मौजूद होते हैं. They are positioned around the heart. As you can see in this picture, the lungs are positioned around the heart. Now comes the size of the lungs. Left lung is smaller than the right lung, as is evident by this picture. Heart tilts a little to left in the chest cavity, so to fit the heart neatly there, left lung is small as compared to the right lung. प्यारे बच्चों, आप जानते हैं ना कि हार्ट भी हमारी चेस्ट कैविटी यानी कि बॉडी अपर पार्ट में ही मौजूद होता है और ये थोड़ा सा लेफ़्ट साइड पर मौजूद होता है। तो हार्ट को वहाँ पर बेहतर तौर पे फिट करने की वजह से लेफ़्ट लंग कदरे छोटा होता है। As it is clearly evident by this X-ray of lungs, आप देख सकते हैं कि लेफ़्ट लंग छोटा है राइट लंग से। क्यों छोटा है? क्योंकि हार्ट को वहाँ पर नीटली फिट करने के लिए लेफ़्ट लंग छोटा है राइट लंग से। Now, rib cage. What is rib cage? It is a bony frame formed by the ribs around the chest. This is the picture of rib cage. It is a protective cage for delicate organs. आप देख सकते हैं कि ये बोन से बना हुआ एक ऐसा केज है जो हमारी चेस्ट कैविटी में मौजूद होता है। Lungs being so delicate organs needs to be protected inside the rib cage. Rib cage makes it hard to damage lungs. इसका काम नाजुक और सॉफ्ट ऑर्गन्स को प्रोटेक्शन देना है, जैसा कि हार्ट या लंग्स, ताकि जब भी हमें कोई चोट लगे तो ये रिब के इन सॉफ्ट ऑर्गन्स को डैमेज होने से बचा सके। मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, आपको पता है कि लंग्स को सारा दिन कितना काम करना पड़ता है? Lungs get a lot to use because you breathe in about 10,000 liters of air every day and it's quite a lot. ये बहुत काम है। Alright, let's summarize all this lesson. We have learned lungs help to spread oxygen throughout the body and get rid of carbon dioxide. There are two lungs in human body. They are positioned around the heart. The left lung is smaller than the right lung to fit the heart neatly there. Human lungs breathe about 10,000 liters of air daily. Lungs are protected inside the rib cage. Now I am going to check what you have understood from today's lesson by an assessment. So get ready. Which gas do lungs spread throughout the body? Yes, it's oxygen. Lungs spread oxygen throughout the body. Which gas do lungs help to get rid the body? Yes, carbon dioxide. Which gas is harmful to your body? Again, the answer is carbon dioxide because it is harmful to our body. How many lungs do we have? Very easy answer. We have 2 lungs. Next question is, which lung is smaller? The left lung. Lungs are protected by which thing? Exactly, the rib cage, or you can say the ribs. How much air lungs breathe in per day? Yes, it's 10,000 liters per day. Homework time. So your home task is to investigate how many times do we breathe in and breathe out in a minute under normal circumstances and after running or exercise. And your next question is, you also have to write a paragraph to tell how can we improve our lungs health. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.